What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela, and today we're going to be talking about if all deaf people know and understand sign language. This is a great question because there's so much misconception around it. Not all deaf people know sign language. You can become deaf later in life, and you can have learned English first and never learned American Sign Language. So when you're 60, 70, 40, 30, whatever age, you can become deaf, and ASL wasn't your primary language. Or you can be born deaf, and unfortunately, almost 90% of families who have children who are hard of hearing or deaf or uses American Sign Language as their main mode of communication do not learn sign language because they're lazy and they don't want to communicate with their child, which is crazy. But yeah, not all deaf people or people who learn